Hey guys, I'm Sherisa, Digital Marketing Analyst, and you're now watching Early Digital Pros. If you're watching this means I finally dropped my first ever YouTube video. Yay! This channel is long overdue. I am so glad to embark on this journey and happy to have you come along for the ride. My goal is to empower students, professionals, business owners, and everyone in between with free digital marketing resources to help your business grow, to leverage in your next project, or even for your personal knowledge. I'll be bringing you thought-provoking digital marketing content such as the latest industry trends, tips and tricks to stay ahead of your competitors, reviews of the best marketing products out there, tutorials, and much more. But first, I thought I would give you a little download on who I am. I'm from Montreal, Canada, born and raised, originally from the Gold Coast, also known as Guyana. I'm a business school graduate with a major in marketing and a minor in human resources. I also have a certificate in graphic design. I'm a senior digital marketing analyst with over 3 years of experience on the client side. I also have 2+ years experience freelancing and building up my own digital marketing agency, empowering small business owners with digital marketing services. I have experience adapting to the ever-evolving world of digital in industries such as tech, luxury fashion, and much more. But wait, there's much more to me outside of my career. I'm also a visual artist, a travel enthusiast, a fashionista, a content creator, and guess what? You'll have to keep watching to find out more. If you're as excited as I am and would like to encourage your girl, please like and share this video. Drop in the comment section down below what you would like to see here and what you would like to learn about digital marketing. My content is for you, so your thoughts actually matter the most. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to be the first to watch new videos dropping every week. You can also catch me on my socials linked down below to get more exclusive content. See you in the next one. Bye!